Hello, my name is Mtiba Hilary, as you probably already know. Today, I just thought I should talk about the current state of my life, talk about what I plan ahead, and my future expectations. It's the last week of the year of 2025. Today is a Tuesday. The new year is starting on Thursday. To begin with, I'm going to talk about the skills that I have, how long it has taken me to learn those skills, and how those skills have benefited me. And then I'll talk about the skills that I'm hoping to learn in 2026, and how I expect those skills to benefit me. First of all, I have a skill in 3D printer maintenance and assembly. 3D printers are these FDM machines that people use to produce plastic parts, where they load filament into a certain setup which we call an extruder, and it's melted and it gets deposited onto something we call a bed. So yeah, ever since 2023, I think so, 2023, I went to this workshop where they were doing assembly and operation of 3D printers, and I started working with them. I gained that skill, and now because of that skill I gained, I'm currently working at that workshop or company, and I am earning because I do maintenance for their printers and then help with the assembly processes. The other skill I've gained over the last 2 years is the supervision and reporting of on-site projects like aluminium on-site installations, steel fabrication, gypsum installations and partitioning, and a bit of some small civil works and a bit of some small carpentry works. Basically supervising the process of giving clients what they want, and usually it's clients who want some modifications in their places, maybe their offices or their houses. So basically aluminium works, steel works, gypsum as I mentioned, and all the other things that go into interior design, I think. So yeah, I've gained that skill, and I'm also earning from that skill by supervising the works of my boss, who is the same one for the 3D printer works. So my roles alternate between supervision and 3D printer maintenance and assembly. So yeah, the skills I'm looking to gain. The first one, since we are in an era where artificial intelligence is booming and it's starting to boom, I am looking to tap into that leverage of artificial intelligence, first of all by bringing together the skills that I already have and linking them up with what artificial intelligence can do to help me perform faster and more efficient. So first of all, I'm planning to learn prompt engineering for artificial intelligence to help me run better in as far as project management is concerned. And I'm hoping that if I can get artificial intelligence, ChatGPT to be specific, to always forecast for me on the project operations, that is to run the necessary checklists, to run the work plans, to maybe help me find out what tools I need in advance, what materials I need in advance, and maybe the quantities, and maybe to optimize the workflow to be as time efficient as possible. I think it will benefit me in a way that, first of all, I will become more efficient at work, and I will also be able to freelance, that is to get other people who are running projects to trust me to help them with their workflows remotely, and then they can pay me for that, for making them more efficient. Then I'm also looking to do the same thing for the 3D printer operations, definitely. I think that will help me to be more efficient at work also, and maybe, you never know, I could later get maybe a better job somewhere, or maybe become a freelance operator for 3D printer maintenance and all those operations regarding FDM manufacturing. That aside, I am looking to develop my computer-aided design skills, so that I see if I can tap into getting remote work for people to do computer-aided design for them, SolidWorks to be specific. Yeah, I think that's going to be it for the video today. For this particular week, I think I'm going to do more research on how best I can utilize prompt engineering for bettering my skills, and then maybe also do some bit of more job application, maybe, to see if I could land myself a better job as a production manager or a maintenance engineer in a certain company. And yeah, see how 2026 will go. If you manage to listen and to watch this far, I appreciate it, and it's probably because maybe there was some relating you heard to what I was saying. Yeah, I'm thankful for that. Nice day, nice night. Bye.